Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change WhatsApp theme on Android. If you are using WhatsApp on your Android phone now, you want to change your WhatsApp theme. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here go to three dots and then select settings. In settings, you just have to look for chats. Here's the chat section. Just tap on it. And here you can easily customize your theme. Here's theme option, just select it, and here you can easily select light or dark theme which you want. As I'm going to select dark theme, so just tap on it and then tap on OK. In this way you can easily change your all WhatsApp theme. So that's how you can easily change WhatsApp theme on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.